Very good morning, class. At last lecture, we study the Gandhar school and the Mathura school. Now, today's lecture, we see the difference between both of that school. The Gandhar school and the Mathura school of art differ in the religious influences, the material used, and the expression of the figures. But which are those main factors to make both of that school and art the difference? So first difference, see, the first image is belongs to Gandhar art and the second one is to Mathura art. Now see the religious influence. The Gandhar school was influenced by Buddhism and the Greek and the Roman art, while the Mathura school was influenced by Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Now we see the next. Here is the next picture. There is first picture is Gandhar school art. It means your left side, and the second is Jainism. Those both picture are representing both of that school sculpture and their interest. Then the material use. The Gandhar school used the bluish grey and grey sandstone, and while the Mathura school used the spotted red sandstone. Grey and bluish sandstone are look like bluish, and red sandstone obviously it is look like bluish. Mostly the Mathura school used the spotted red sandstone, which are located and which are spotted. The place is South Indian. So we see the most of the temples in South Indian, they are made by the red sandstone, and Uttar Pradesh and UP side, east side, their temples and their statues are made from the grey and bluish sandstone. See the pictures of both schools. The first is the bluish grey sandstone, and the next is the red sandstone statue. Next difference is the expression. The Gandhar Buddha is depicted in a calm state. Means they are to use the expression of that statues, the calmness. While the Mathura Buddha is depicted the delight mood and a happy mood. Their hand gesture are be may sometime different. See the picture of both of that school. The first picture is a very calm expression, but the second picture is very happy, and it have a great mood. The next is the location. The Gandhar school was developed in the northwest modern day of Kandhar area, while the Mathura school was developed in Mathura and Ason. It is located. The time period of both school is the Gandhar school is prepared between the 50 before the Christ, 500 AD, while the Mathura school is dated to between the 1st and 3rd century BC. The feature of Buddha. The sculpture of Buddha's the expression in Gandhar school with the flowing hair and Buddha is depicted the spiritual mood, while the Mathura school the head and face is totally shaved. See those both of picture is huge difference between that school. See this first picture is there have lots of ornaments and heavy hairs, and the next Mathura art of that school is totally shaved body, and they have good body mood. I hope you will understand both of those school is huge difference between the location, influences, gesture of that statues, and using the material is very important here. Mostly I try to explain this difference is very easily. I hope you will understand this lecture. If you understand, please share someone and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.